Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to a layout recap. The husband was sleeping, so I just created a page, filler for the videos on YouTube. So there is a lovely picture of the Bumbles, and I pulled in a lot of stash items to go ahead and get these done. So today is the 30th of March. Tomorrow is the 31st, obviously, because the 31st follows the 30th. And I leave Tuesday for Florida to meet the girlies for fun and sun in the, Orlando area. So got a little bit of a video recap, and I may not actually have a video a day because my main priority is to get my Color Rush Studio design team projects done, and then whatever else I can get in. But it is also easier for me to somewhat just hurry up and do a layout and then film a recap. So however this works out, I'll let you guys know. The background, this white piece of, you would think cardstock, but it's not, it's pattern paper on that mixed media looking piece, is actually a Color Rush Studio basics collection. So head over, I'll have a link down below, check that out if you guys want to pick those up. And then I took several different stencils. I knew it was a bumblebee, my dog, so I wanted to have some paw prints, and then I felt hexagon-y for some reason, so I took technically it's 2 different hexagon stencils, but one of them is a 3-parter. So if you can see the yellow and the green and the blue, which is all Distress inks, and I just layered them on top of each other all through what was already on the page and did all the different designs because that was the colors that I was pulling from the already pieces on the background. And then I took the paw print stencil and just did one paw print kind of all over the place in different directions, and then took the Close to My Heart hexagon full background 12 by 12 stencil and then traced it with a pin, not this pin obviously, and just traced it all in except for where the paw print was to look like the paw print and the hexagon stencil were as one. So that's kind of fun. So 3 different stencils right there. Then I just took some stash kit items, some old Hip Kit Club. We got which pretty much all the embellishments outside of this one is from an old Hip Kit Club. The pattern papers were just from my stash sitting over there of stuff to use. We got some chipboard on here, some wooden buttons spread out, popped up on foam here, and popped up on foam here. This is a chipboard as well. Some of those acrylic, well, not acrylic, but they're acetates, supposed to look like mixed media kind of filtered in there. Then some of these fall bits because she's all bundled up. We got Happy here, So Chilly, again because she's all bundled up. And then a Color Rush Studio, or not, nope, Color Cast Designs acrylic piece that says Stay Wild, just kind of as a fun play on the fact that she's a lazy dog. Then I took the same pin that I outlined it in and did a border just to kind of finish it off. And we've got some enamel dots, and I find those to be, just the right amount. I did put this coral color kind of sporadically throughout because I wanted to use this title, and so I needed to add those in there as well. But all in all, I really, really am loving the way that this came together. So you might see me really splurge into the stencils and mixing them and seeing how they can work because I have so many of them. Excuse me, I thought I was going to cough. There it is. So, yeah, that is pretty much what we have going on. This layout is super cute, and I really, really am enjoying it. So, yes, so hopefully I can get one somewhat on video here shortly. If not, when we get back from Florida, I will play with that again. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you later. Bye.